So, little kitties, the big bad wolf was on his way to Grandma's house, but then he got lost in the woods and couldn't remember where the Grandma's house was. Kind of like you, Grandpa? Yes, that's right. I guess it's time for me to take another Vincini Focus Fix. Why, without it, I wouldn't remember where I am or who I am or even what any of your names are, little kitties. Now, let's see. Where was I? There we go. I just took a Vinci Focus Fix. Yes. So the big bad wolf kissed Sleeping Beauty, and she woke up and looked in the mirror and said, I'm the most beautiful there ever was. Oh, Grandpa.
Side effects include but are not limited to increased interest in antique furniture, redness and itching of the neck, loss of use of the left hand, blurred vision during daylight hours, chattering teeth, swelling of the inner thighs, extended bouts of constipation followed by sudden diarrhea, wild erratic mood swings. Persons under 45 should not take more than one Vinci Focus Fix tablet per hour. Persons over 90 should take only one Focus Fix every 3 hours.
Whether or not you believe in the weather or not, the eyes have it. Yes, at CRZY roving weather helicopter, we're watching for when the weather or not. The eyes have it. Yes, the eyes of our weather watchers are always
The Les
watching.
Tomac Show
So
weeknights
you
right
tune in
here
to
on CRZY TV.
TV or CRZY Radio for the latest weather update.
With cheese. Lionel Sternberger is reputed to have introduced the cheeseburger in 1926 at the age of 16 when he was working as a fry cook at his father's Pasadena, California sandwich shop, The Right Spot, and experimentally dropped a slab of American cheese on a sizzling hamburger.